This is the installation video for the full-size GM truck's transmission cable repair kit. First, you'll want to remove the old bushing, and you can use a small screwdriver or an angle pick to remove the bushing. And you may want to remove the end of the cable from the truck. You don't have to remove the whole cable, but just remove the horseshoe clip and squeeze the two ears to get it out of the cable bracket. And removing the bushing may take a few minutes, so be patient. Some bushings crumble out easily. Others, like this one, are oil soaked, and so they take a little bit longer to remove. But it's important to remove the entire bushing. Different tools may work in different situations. The screwdriver might be better for getting the middle of the bushing out, and the angle pick might be better for getting the bushing pieces that are stuck in the corners. Try different things and see what works for you. Alright, so the old bushing is mostly removed here. And after you do this, you may notice that there's some flashing. And flashing is a piece of the black plastic that was molded incorrectly. There's a picture. And if it's difficult to remove, you can usually just bend it out of the way, but in either case it needs to be out of the way. I used a screwdriver, but you can use a file or pliers to get it out. And after you've got a clear shot, it's time to install the new bushing. Take the tapered end of the bushing and press it into the cable opening. And you can put pressure on it with your thumb gently while you use a small screwdriver or the cupped end of the orange tool to help it along the way. You want to get it about halfway in. And once you've got it about halfway in, you'll use the blunt end of the orange tool to press the bushing the rest of the way in. And you'll notice that tool there is purple. That's a prototype tool. The one included in the kit will be orange, and it will be two-sided. And now the installation is complete. Now, when you're reinstalling the cable back on the truck, you'll want to have the tapered end facing away from the transmission lever, meaning the pin will be coming from this direction.